Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. The pros and cons of using credit cards for purchases and rewards. So make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. Credit cards have become a ubiquitous part of modern financial life. They offer consumers the ability to purchase goods and services with ease, and many credit cards also offer rewards programs that can provide significant benefits to cardholders. However, like any financial tool, credit cards have their pros and cons, and it is important for consumers to understand both before deciding whether to use credit cards for their purchases. On the one hand, credit cards can offer several advantages to consumers. They are convenient, allowing consumers to make purchases online or in person, without the need for cash or checks. Credit cards also offer a way to build credit, as responsible use of credit cards can improve credit scores over time. Furthermore, credit cards can offer valuable rewards programs that can provide cashback, travel miles, or other incentives to cardholders. These rewards can be a significant benefit to consumers who use credit cards frequently, especially if they are able to pay off their balances each month to avoid interest charges. On the other hand, there are also potential drawbacks to using credit cards. One of the biggest concerns is the risk of overspending and accumulating high levels of debt. Many credit cards have high interest rates, and carrying a balance from month to month can quickly lead to significant debt. Additionally, some credit cards may have annual fees or other charges that can eat into the value of any rewards earned. Finally, credit card fraud is a real concern, and consumers must be vigilant in protecting their card information to prevent unauthorized charges. In order to make an informed decision about whether to use credit cards for purchases and rewards, consumers must weigh these pros and cons carefully. By understanding the potential benefits and drawbacks of credit card use, consumers can make a decision that aligns with their financial goals and priorities. With responsible use, credit cards can be a valuable tool for managing finances and earning rewards, but they must be used wisely to avoid financial pitfalls. Credit card pros. These are some of the best ways anyone can use a credit card. Pros: home loan. Credit cards are some of the best tools for building credit over time. Your credit score will greatly affect your financial life. With good credit, you will be more likely to get the loans you need in the future, such as car loans and home loans. A good credit score can also help you get better loan terms, so you don't have to pay more interest over the life of the loan. To establish a loan with a credit card, do not forget to make the monthly minimum payment by the deadline. Credit card issuers report your activities to the 3 major credit bureaus every month, so you should create a consistent database. This means avoiding late payments, not exceeding or exceeding your credit limit to avoid low credit, and not applying for new loans too often. Pro: additional security is a great choice for everyday shopping because of the extra customer protection. Most credit cards have a free guarantee against unauthorized payments, provided you report the payment within 30 days. Even if your dealer doesn't give you a guarantee, the Fair Trade Liability Act limits your total liability for unauthorized charges to $50. Moreover, if there is an unauthorized withdrawal from your credit card, you can solve the problem before your balance is full and your real money is lost. On the other hand, if your debit card information is stolen, it will take a long time to resolve the issue while you wait for the money to return to your bank account. Pro: benefits and rewards. With the right credit card in your wallet, you can earn cash, points, or miles for your frequent purchases. When you open a new credit card, you also have a chance to win exciting prizes after reaching a certain spending limit. The best way to get the most out of a credit card is to choose the one you use the most. For example, frequent travelers will benefit most from a travel credit card that can earn points or miles for future trips, and offers benefits like dining room access and points from premium programs like TSA PreCheck. On the other hand, you can get more benefits from your credit card and get extra benefits in your daily expenses, such as grocery stores and gas stations. Adding privileges can go a long way. These can include travel protection, no foreign exchange fees, annual report on certain purchases, savings from participating brands, and more. Disadvantages of credit cards. Although credit cards add a lot of value to your purchases, there are risks to using them. Before applying for a new card, keep the following in mind. Cons: high interest rates and commissions. Credit cards have a negative interest rate. Currently, the average interest rate on credit cards is around 20%, but some cardholders have higher APRs. However, interest is not the only expense you can pay with your credit card. Many credit cards charge late fees, foreign exchange fees, transaction fees, and more. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement to learn exactly what fees you will encounter and how to avoid them. Most top rewards and travel credit cards also have an annual fee that you pay each year to reap the benefits of the card. You can usually cover the cost of this fee with gifts and benefits, but you should make sure your budget allows it before you apply. You might also want to consider a credit card with no annual fees, which also provides value for your spending. Cons: potential credit card debt. Your APR, annual percentage rate, is the interest you earn when the balance drops if you have a credit card balance and don't pay it back in full each time. With credit card interest rates close to or above 20%, avoiding credit card debt is more important than ever. You can avoid credit card debt problems by spending only as much as you can and paying your balance in full each month. If you tend to spend too much, create a budget and track your spending throughout the month. You can use your credit card like a credit card and only use whatever budget you have in the bank, knowing that you can pay it back at the end of the billing period. That way, you won't be caught off guard when it's time to pay. Cons: can hurt your credit score. While there are many ways to build credit with credit cards, working on payment history, keeping credit usage low and growing your credit portfolio, etc., you can also pick up bad habits that lower your credit score. For example, exceeding your ideal credit utilization rate will negatively affect your score. Most experts recommend using less than 30% of your current loan amount. If you have a $5,000 line of credit, that means keeping your balance under $1,500. Applying for multiple credit cards at the same time can lower your credit score, at least temporarily. Every time you apply for a loan, the issuing agency will do a rigorous credit check, which will slightly lower your credit score. Applying for multiple new accounts at once can be a red flag for lenders and can make you look less creditworthy if you spend more time applying. Of course, another way that can negatively affect your credit rating is to pay late or at least not pay the minimum balance. When your lender reports these practices to the credit bureaus, you may see an impact on your credit score, especially if you do it over a long period. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.